So first you're gonna add a script on server script service. Then let's go name it day cycle. Then what you're gonna do is, it's very easy. You just need to do is while true do and wait. After that we're gonna do is add a local and name it as speed. So the speed will be 0.001. So what we're gonna do in here is game light plus speed. So after that you're done. And that's it. So if you test it out, like run, so there you go. As you can see, that is moving slowly. So in here you can see here it's 0.001. If you want it to be fast, you can change the speed, but I recommend you use a milliseconds, because if you try to make it number 1, yeah, this is what gonna happen if you turn number 1. So that's why I recommended you to use milliseconds. So like for me, I'll do 25, something like this, or maybe 2 or 5. Yeah, I think so. As you can see, and if we look at the lighting, and yeah, it's fast now. But yeah, for me I wanted to turn like 1.5, and yeah, that's it. So thank you for watching and have a great day. Have a great day, and I hope this tutorial helped you, and see you to my next tutorial, or next video. Please subscribe and like the video if you like the video, and if this video helped you. So have a great day and goodbye.